We're back with another solar powered minute from the Solar Energy World headquarters. I'm here with the design team manager and engineer, Hunter Smith. Thank you for having us.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm wondering about people because sometimes they get hesitations around solar power. They're like, does it really work? Will it actually lower my bills? How can you make sure of that?
Part of our process here at Solar Energy World is we're going to send someone out for a site visit to verify that the site is going to work for the solar and that you're going to get what you're promised. That process involves a deep analysis of the roof, the location of the panels, and the location of the site. Anything to do with shading, so trees or neighboring buildings, things like that, are all going to go into the analysis. We're going to take that through our comprehensive software, and it's going to generate a production report. With that production report, we're providing a production guarantee, and that's something we really pride ourselves on guaranteeing the production is going to meet the customer's requirements.
A guarantee is a word people like to hear. It gives them peace of mind. And if you want to learn more, go to solarenergyworld.com or dial that number on your screen. Thank you.